So how can you unsync contacts from Gmail on your Android? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, become part of the Foxtecc community so you'll then not miss the future updates and whatever is going on. So first of all, you can open up the Contacts application. In my case, I'm using the Samsung Contacts, but in different platforms, it's likely going to work the same way. So I can open it up like this and explore the more options in here. So I can tap on the three lines and I'm going to go to Manage Contacts right there. And at the bottom of the list, I have syncing options. So sync contacts, that's what I'm going to click on. And if there are accounts which are added in here, might be Gmail accounts, might be other, I can either delete them altogether or just turn it off like that and make sure that nothing gets synced with my contacts list anymore. So I can turn off the Gmail or other accounts. Naturally, I have the ability to add more accounts, like different types in here, like, I don't know, WhatsApp or Messenger. But most likely it's going to be the Gmail or Samsung account, and as you can see, you can turn it off right here. Of course, there might be more contacts application on your device. For example, a lot of people use Google Contacts, and in that case, you can only switch between the different Google accounts as it's just designed that way. And yeah, that's how it works. With even other contacts application, I believe it's going to be almost the same thing. Like the blueprint is literally the same way to set it up. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device specifically. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.